Welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make this strobe effect transition. So what we need to do is delete this one because we're gonna create it from scratch. Go to the effect library and select transition category, video transitions. Go down. We're not gonna use the cross dissolve that we have here. We'll go down all the way to fusion transitions. There is another cross dissolve. It is exactly the same, but this one we can customize it inside the fusion page. Right click on it, go to open in fusion page. Once we're there, click on the cross dissolve, double click on it, and click on the dissolve node in the inside. Once you click on it, go to the attribute background, foreground, and just to show you, this is what this node is doing. This is like the typical cross dissolve behavior. Right click on it and select expression. In the expression, write this expression and press enter. Once you do that, if we move the playhead, you'll see the effect of the strobe happening here. So go back to the edit page, and if you play it, now we have the strobe effect transition. And the last thing we need to do is to save this transition as a preset. And the way to do it, just click on it and right click, go to create transition preset, call it strobe or anything else. And it will create user category or user section in your effects. And if you drag it and drop it anywhere, you'll get that effect, as you can see. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and see you in the next one.